Hello, welcome back to the channel. Well, today will be a little bit change of schedule because originally I'm working out on the Super Fumina kit. Yeah, you can see I already sent down all the parts and just waiting for finishing the seams line. But today is the 11th of August, so you know what? This guy just came out. Yeah, this is the real grey Sazabi. Just zoom out a little bit. Yeah, this is a really huge box. If you don't know the size, it is much near the normal master grade kit size. Let's taste this. Yeah, this is a normal RX78. Yeah, you can see it is double the size of a normal weight kit, so it is a really huge box, and you can see the thickness. Yeah, this is the same thickness but double the size, so you know how many plastic is inside the kit. And by the way, in fact the Sazabi itself is a really big mobile suit, so yeah, if you did finish up the kit, it should be the size of a normal master grade 1:100 scale kit. So yeah, I understand why they put so much plastic in here. Okay, let's take a look at the box first. Okay, for the top cover, it seems it is still the same real grey cover, and wait a second. Yeah, this is the same as the head CG rendering, and the mobile switch itself. This MSN-04 Sazabi. Yeah, this some normal real grey box art, and at the sides you can see they changed the inner frame again. Yeah, there's yeah, in fact I always wonder why they didn't do this on the Sinanju, because yeah, all of you did heard about that the Sinanju, they just use the normal Gundam Mark II inner frame, so yeah, it is disaster. They completely changed the inner frame for the Sazabi. So yeah, in fact this advanced MS joint, they just use it on the waist and the arms, something like that. So most of the inner frame, you need to cut it from the runner and assembly it. I think this is more stable thing for the kit so big. So yeah, let's yeah, they said about you can extend the hand right there and the back skirt. Yeah, I still hate the sticker for the kit, but anyway, yeah, you can see right there the leg, the frame for the leg did change, so that it is a lot from the inner frame, but normal grey plastic. So yeah, it is a really nice touch, and yeah, you can see the funnel. You can separate the fin for the funnels one by one. Yeah, it will be a really small plastic, and this is the look of the slab building. And the kit itself, right there. Yeah, this is the other posing look. And the retail price is 4,500 yen, and it's a little bit high in the higher price. Well, but it is understandable, because yeah, you can see the size of this model kit. Normal, as I understand, the normal real grade should be around 2,500 to 3,500 yen or something like that. So yeah, it's around double the price for the kit, but it's okay for me, because you can see you got lots of plastic right here. And by the way, I bought this kit. Main reason is not for the video, but it's because myself is don't have enough size for putting the 1 to 100 scale Sazabi version Katoki. Yeah, that kit is too huge for me because I have already put a deep striker right there, so no more place for them. So this is the second chance for me to put this on myself. So yeah, let's take a look inside. Oh, by the way, before the checking on the winner, let's see. Yeah, as usual, the normal wheel way in the box, you can see there's some type of what is it called? Talk about the other scale model. This Sazabi in the high grade, and this wheel grade for this kit, and this Leo Gundam here. And here is also about all the same model kit for the same anime. So yeah, let's check on the winner first. But yeah, let's count on the back first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6. Yeah, lots and lots of plastic. Let's open the bag and check on the winner. Okay, this is the first winner, winner A. You can see right there the normal multi-color winner. This is orangey something plastic, and this black and gray inner frame. It seems like the weapon handle, and this clear color. And as usual, the winner B is for the inner frame advanced MS joint. This advanced MS joint 13. Yeah, you can see there's low hand winner and some leg inner frame like that. Just a normal waist, and this seems like the hand, the forehand and the leg, something like that maybe. Yeah, this a little bit different than before. These are all in the black color. And the C one, yeah, some parts for the head, yeah, maybe. The skirt armor, some the S, the X. Then this should be the leg, maybe. Okay, now is the D one. You can see it's a little bit different red tone for the plastic, and the seal you can see right there. So around a little bit half for my palm. Yeah, it's a really huge plastic. And the basket plastic, something like that, is for the leg maybe. And you got two E1, just a copy for this. You can see the funnel fin and some maybe shoulder armor or something like that. And also you got two F1, you can see right there is for the funnel, and yeah, maybe for the leg and arms, something like that. This should be for the hand. And you got a G1, this should be some inner frame plastic. Yeah, you can see the skirt armor, the hand. Yeah, the hand is a little bit bigger than normal 1 to 144 scale, something like that. Yeah, here is the H1, still the inner frame plastic, and this should be for the leg or something, the thruster and the hip joint maybe. Okay, let's check the other one now. And there's a 2I1, yeah, lots and lots of plastic. Yeah, still the inner frame for the leg, the hand, the feet, very big feet for the kid, and some thruster for the leg. And you got two really shiny green beam effect parts, and yeah, this beam sword is really nice. And And finally, two K1R, you can see the fuel tank right there. This in the back, and the hand, what is it? Yeah, this for the funnel holder, and this for the beam S. Yeah, that's all for the runner. Yeah, before the manual, let's take a look at the sticker. Yeah, really big sticker. This is not gold color as I see. This lot more like a copper or something. And this normal silver sticker for the railway. And yeah, I don't know why they never give you a water slide, so that you will need to buy it yourself. Now take a look at the menu. Yeah, just a normal railway cover. And yeah, you can see right here all the plastic runner. It seems that not much you will not use, because yeah, this just a new kit. And yeah, as usual, the railway building from the foot first. Keep on the foot. And by the way, if you have noticed that in this time, all the inner frame for the kit, yeah, all gray plastic you can see right there. Mostly is you just cut it from the normal runner, so they don't do the what's it called, the advanced MS joint, something like that. Yeah, it is a good thing, because yeah, the MS joint they do it in the railway is have some little bit stability problem, I think. So yeah, you can, well, besides that, in this size of kit size, the mobile suit is so big, so you should do it with something like the master grade light way. Just do it in the master grade way. That's just put it with the normal ABS or polystyrene plastic. And after the leg, you can assemble the waist. Yeah, the back skirt is really huge. And assemble the lower parts for the body. Yeah, you can see right there, the back skirt you can just split open. And then the chest, I'm thinking maybe I should just assemble the inner frame first, like the first page. Yeah, maybe just assemble this first, and then just do some painting on the red armor. Oh, by the way, I will show you the different tone of the red later. And body part, and then the arms. After the arms is the head. Yeah, you can see the cockpit right there. Yeah, the Sazabi cockpit is on the head, not inside the chest. It's a little bit special design. Yeah. And then the backpack, that is the funnel holder. Yeah, lots of small plastic for the funnel, but anyway. And then the beam shot rifle. And the really big shield right there. Yeah, you can open the cockpit. That's being open your head. And you can take out the funnel, but they don't give you a clear plastic rod for supporting the funnel. So yeah, it's a little bit problem right there. And yeah, you can see right there all the sticker, lots and lots of sticker. Oh, by the way, here is a little guy right here, not in the pilot suit, but in the general outfit. Okay, let's take a look at the red plastic I said before first. Okay, although I put 4 1 weight here, but it seems that 1 E and 1 C is in the same tone of a little bit pinkish color. So yeah, let's take this aside first. And there's it seems that there is it's a little bit different. The D1, the F1, and the E1, yeah, this guy is a little bit pink on my under my light source. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's a little bit different than these two little one right there, and it's a little bit hard for you to tell the difference in here, but on this D1 is a little bit scarlet. Yeah, it's a little bit scarlet red right there, and on the top the F1 you can see it's a little bit lighter red. I don't know if you can see the difference. Yeah, you can see it's just a little bit different for these two type of red, but most pop out thing is that this a little bit pink. Yeah, it's a little bit weird, but in fact the SARS for the SARS, in fact it is a little bit pink with the not in the red but in the pink, so you can understand why they use the pink in this color. But this type of red, maybe I will paint it in a scarlet red or bloody red or something like that. Yeah, I will fully paint this kit, and don't tell me to do this in a fast way, because yeah, you know the model kit will take some time. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. It's a little bit long for the review like this, but yeah, I will do the inner thing first as fast as I can. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Just see you later. Bye bye.